Very good morning, children. Chapter 5 Soil. In this chapter, we have done the explanation of all the chapter, the true false, which is an in between question, the keywords that is let's memorize, then question number A, that is take the correct answer or MCQ, then question number B, fill in the blanks with the correct words, then C, name the following, and the D question, exercise number D, answer the following questions. So we have done all these exercises, all these questions. I hope you all have done in your classwork copy all the exercises, all the questions you have recorded in your classwork copy. So after this, on page number 48, children, page number 48, there are some other questions which are very important, and it is completely related or directly related to the chapter, that is match the following and the unscramble the letters. So let us start the match the following, because in the question paper, the fill-ups, true false, MCQs, match the following, unscramble or jumble words, small answer type questions, long answer type questions, these all comes in your examination or exam paper. So under this we will do here match the following, that is given on page number 48. So children, there are 5 questions and 5 options are also there. We have to match the correct answer. We have to match it with the correct answer. So I'm going to start the first, that is soil. Second is withering, then topsoil, overgrazing, terrace farming. So first of all, you have to know, it is important to discuss the meaning. It is important to understand the meaning. If you know the meaning of these words, you can easily match it with the correct answer. Okay, so you can easily pair with the correct one. But before this, you have to know the correct meaning. So first one is soil. Soil is what? Soil is the support or base of the life on the earth. Yes. Then weathering. The weathering is what? Weathering is erosion of. Weathering is what? By weathering we can easily remove, or weathering is the process of making soil. We can easily remove the big rocks, and we can convert, or the wind and water convert the big rocks into the powdered form of soil. Okay, then topsoil, the most fertile layer, the first layer of the soil. Overgrazing means grazing means when the cattle, a group of cattle eats grasses on a large scale, that is known as overgrazing. So overgrazing, the result of the overgrazing is what? We have discussed it, children. Remember? Do you have any answer? Yes, of course. Due to the overeating of the grasses by the cattle, by the group of cattle, where the resultant will be the erosion of soil, because if the animal will eat all the grasses, all the plants, then no plant or no roots will be there to hold the soil. No root will be available to hold the soil, and because of that the soil will easily carried away by the excessive amount of water or the speedy wind. So overgrazing is also a big reason of soil erosion. Now the last one is terrace farming. Children, it is a very, very important point of this chapter, terrace farming. Terrace farming is actually given in the or it comes under the soil protection, that is known as soil conservation. The contrast word of soil erosion is soil conservation. I usually tell this thing so many times in my videos. I think you all have now a good thing, a good accurate meaning in your brain. You will easily understand the difference between soil erosion and soil conservation. For example, if I will give a question कि write down a difference between soil erosion and soil conservation, so you can easily decide what is soil erosion and you can easily know that what is soil conservation. Soil erosion is the removal of the top fertile layer, okay, by the wind, by the air, by the water, and by the human activities. Whereas soil conservation is what? It is the protection of soil. Okay, so this is the terrace farming or step farming, which are found or which is famous in the hilly area, in the hilly slopes, which protect the soil in the slopy region. So it is a point of soil conservation. So now the answer, there are 5 answer also, A, B, C, D, E. So first is erosion of soil, then most fertile layer, supports life on the earth, conservation of soil, and formation of soil. So now I'm going to start the answer. Beta. So soil is what? Soil supports life on the earth. It is a base where the life start or life begins inside the soil. So this is the C, or we can write the number here. So I will choose number here 1. Now the next is weathering. Weathering is a formation of soil. Then topsoil is the most fertile layer. Now the overgrazing is what? Erosion of soil. The terrace farming is a conservation of soil. So this is the answer of your match the following. I hope you all have understood. Now the next is the B. This is the A and now this is the B, question number B, in which read the clues and unscramble the letters given below. There are certain statements given, and here the blocks are given, some jumbled words are given over there. So we have to identify the words which are jumbled, which are in the jumbled way, by the reading of these statement, and after identifying the correct answer we have to write down the correct answer in the brackets, in the columns. So first is most fertile layer of soil. So it is a haphazard word, LSOIPOT. So I think most fertile layer of the soil is topsoil. Yes, TOPSOIL. Top, SOIL, soil, topsoil. Okay. Now the second one, indiscriminate felling of trees. Indiscriminate felling of trees. The fall of trees. Okay. So continuous falling of trees is what? Or cutting of trees are what? That is deforestation. Okay. So DEFORES, forest, TATION, deforestation. So here I am going to write the answer, DEFORESTATION, deforestation. Now the third statement, a cause of soil erosion. So this is a cause of soil erosion, and here the haphazard word is given. I think it is a overgrazing. OVER, over, GRAZING, overgrazing. Okay, so overgrazing. So I'm going to write down in the columns, overgrazing. Okay, so the answer is overgrazing. Now the last statement, planting trees. So planting more and more trees is, this phenomenon is plantation, or in the language of science we can say the afforestation. A correct word for this planting trees is afforestation. So Forestation. Afforestation. So let's start writing here. Afforestation. That is afforestation. So children, I hope you all have understood the match the following and the unscramble the letters. So these all are very important questions because it will come in your examination. So don't forget to write these things in your book. Need not to write in the copy, but you have to do in your book. So thank you for watching this video. Stay home and stay safe.